Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 24 to March 2, 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. What's up, Aries? Union. Oh, the sun and the moon. So, maaring some of you are papasok kayo sa relationship, agreement, companionship, business partnership. Yung iba pwedeng mag-aasawa. Serious commitment. You also have emotion. So, some of you, maaring you're also focused on your feelings, yung nararamdaman nyo. Maaring heightened yung emotion ng iba sa inyo, especially kung kayo ay getting into a relationship, 'di ba? Pag tayo ay pumapasok sa isang relasyon, medyo mataas ang ating emotions. And some of you, maaring this is yung marriage, no? Or yung partnership ninyo ay nagiging malakas, nagiging solid. And yung iba naman, pwedeng heightened emotion to kasi maaring you are entering a business partnership. So, maaring you are excited. Okay. Ano pa? For Aries. Horse. Uy, travel. Travel opportunities, pwedeng physical travel to or yung travel ng mind. Maaring may mga pag-aaralan kayo or learning mga new techniques, learning new knowledge, information. So, yung iba naman, this is about traveling to some places. Baka yung iba mag-honeymoon. Punta kayo sa body of water. Sa beach. Oo, malapit na kasi yung summer. Mainit na, no? Okay, let's see what else. Overall energy ninyo, Aries. Ang laki kasi ng card. Overall energy ng mga Aries. Overall energy. Six of Cups. In love. Oo, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, in love kayo. You feel like you are with someone na soulmate, meron kayong soulmate connection. For some of you naman, this is about nostalgia, memories. So, maaring meron kayong mga naaalala or nagiging sentimental or emotional kayo sa mga bagay na naaalala nyo in the past. Your challenge is the Two of Swords. So, this is decision making. So, merong challenge sa inyong pagdidesisyon. In what area of life to? Oh, about yourself. I think itong decision na to ay about sa path na tatahakin mo. Kasi hindi ka sigurado kung saan ba. But you have this, parang meron kang gustong i-let go or iwanan dahil merong mas magandang opportunity sa'yo. But at the same time, parang nahihirapan ka ring mag-let go kasi merong sentimental value sa'yo yon, yung ile-let go mo. So, your opportunity is the Ace of Swords. O, diba? Opportunity, new beginnings. It's the Ace. Bagong simula. This is also good news for you. Maaring merong balita na matatanggap ka, message na matatanggap ka na magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang balita. O lalo na kung halimbawa, nag-a-apply ka abroad. Meron kang magandang balita na matatanggap na, okay, nagpo-process na or na-approve ka na, nakapasa ka na. And then your blessing, wow! The Chariot. Oh, definitely travel. You are moving forward. Okay? So, yung iba literal na magta-travel talaga or yung mga plans ninyo ay mangyayari na ngayong week na to, moving forward. And I think yung iba sa inyo, masyado kayo ngayong focus doon sa goal ninyo at hindi kayo nagpapaapekto sa mga nangyayari sa paligid ninyo. However, no, kung kayo ay medyo nagdadalawang isip pa at hindi kayo makapagdesisyon, mahirap yon kasi baka ma-stuck kayo. So, yun yung challenge sa inyo na maglakas ng loob na ipurso na yung gusto mong gawin. Yung iba sa inyo merong blessing of related sa sasakyan o maaring bibili kayo ng sasakyan or makakapag-travel kayo. Or meron kayong mapapaayos na sasakyan. Let's see what else. House. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong concern related sa inyong bahay. Pwedeng sa family rin, may pag-uusap-usapan or may isi-settle. Some of you are moving to a new house, paglipat ng bahay. Kaya maaring yan yung decision na gagawin ninyo. You also have the star. Oh, this is joy and happiness. Hope is the sight, success is in view. Wow. So, success is coming in sa inyo. This really makes sense kasi the chariot is also about triumph. Ano bang Tagalog ng triumph? Tagumpay, oh. Magiging matagumpay itong ipupurso mo. So, if you have a business partnership, magiging matagumpay ito. If you have a relationship right now, na like pumapasok ka sa bagong relationship, magiging matagumpay rin yan. You also have the mountain. Mountain is yung challenges sa harapan mo. So, as long as ready ka, no, na i-pursue yung gusto mo, kahit na may mga balakid sa'yo, may humaharang, magagawan mo pa rin naman yan ng paraan. Okay? You have the courage and the persistence that you need. Okay, so tingnan natin yung energy naman ng money, career, finances for Aries. Wow, security. You are financially secured. So, you are building your finances, you are building stability sa iyong kaperahan. Maaring iba sa inyo may mga multiple streams of income. Marami kayong pinagkakakitaan. You also have friendship for your love life. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are going to solidify yung relationships mo, connections mo with your friends, especially if you're single. Maaring magsuspend ka ng time with your friends. Think laterally to solve a problem. So, ito yung pagkakaroon ng different perspective, no? Pagdating sa pag-solve ng problema. So, anumang challenge na to, tingnan mo siya in a different perspective kasi baka may nami-miss out ka at yun yung solusyon pala sa problema mo or challenge mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.